worse than Superman!
Guys, stop fighting! You only make things worse!
I'll up here. I'm sure it's been great.
Future, you okay?
What time is it?
12:01 a.m. It's New Year's Day! We missed the countdown? Why bother? These countdowns suck. Kidnack! Suspended! Food fight!
It turned into a ball.
First, Knick-Knack stole my thunder. Now everyone's forgotten about me. What's next?
We just watched Knick-Knack watch the Wush show on television. So no, we're not okay.
That's it! I have rage! This is all your fault!
Where am I? We're all in crates. Just like that one movie.